Republican. So you're meeting the congressmen of people from Republican, not the Democrats, sorry, which is Obama's party and Biden. But people that are leading that are Trump, which is a Republican. So Nkere having handshake with people that are not in power, taking photo. In them, that in the name, like I said, I stand to be corrected because that's what I was. Someone called that to remind me to mention that, and I want to make sure that it is true. That Nkere, when you see him having handshake, he having handshake with, Democratic member of the American Congress, not Republican. So, and they are minority now in the seat. So, all Nkere going there is going there just to convince people because many of you don't even know the difference between Republican and Democrat. Your own is like, you want to see somebody that is a white and long hair, he's giving you Biafra, get that engaged. Then you ask Nkere, what name did you tell them that your country should be? What is the name of their country? Is it Republican of USB Charter or USB Nigeria or United States of Biafra? There's no way he will tell the USB, United States of Biafra, and Sana Barawa and their group are busy calling it publicly. Even the Elias we are saying it. So for you to know that even Elias is somehow is a bad man. Some people say that. Some of you do not like to say it, but I have to say it. How can you say that you are lobbying and you do not even advise Sana Barawa? It simply means that you are one of the accomplices. Like you guys are part of, the same thing. How can you tell me that you are fighting for Biafra, you are recognizing Biafra USB, and your people, the so-called honorable, all of them are USB charger, even the women, USB charger. Money in Ghana, they can't even run. Or USB charger. I wonder, for some of you that are still here to question them, don't wonder they don't want to bring the guy for public for questioning. Because the number one question that I would like to ask him is, since you are pushing to recognize Biafran in US as what you guys are saying. So what do you have to say when you read posts from your group saying that thing that you are claiming that you are fighting for US is USB charger, USB Nigeria? Is that what you are telling the congressmen? Because you tell them where you're coming from, your platform. Now, what is it that you are telling them that you want them to recognize? Simple question. And anyway, let's continue, my brother. Continue. Sorry for keeping you.
No problem. That is just it. So, in this aspect, I will advise that young guy. I will call him a young guy. I will advise him, remove shame. I'm saying it again. Remove shame. Ngangaburuzo or Desoria. Remove shame. Go back to where you're supposed to belong. Where you are now, it's not a place you're supposed to belong. Unless he have another thing, another agenda. But if you know that you are fighting in this cause, where you are now is not where you're supposed to belong. Mm-hmm. Go where you're supposed to belong. This is my advice for him. If he like, he take. If he don't like, let him do as he wish. Then that one aside. Then another thing I want to say is concern this Amusu France. Mm-hmm. I want to say, does he mean that some people don't have brain? Does he mean that some people don't have sense?
My brother, sorry to cut you off again, because somebody just answer that question that I'm an American. I'm not in America. But our mama here, Happy Me, says something that I want Biafran to pay very close attention. Some of you that are not watching live, whenever you're going to watch it, if you can watch it to this extent, to this length, because we have spent 2 hours, going to 3 hours now.